Good morning. Na empom to say.
Nyamiadum kakra so we.
Oh nyamiadum boko pa.
Okay, see na.
Me base asase from enteton kakra. The oma signs ne kakra confirmation ne kakra na yetimi ato aso akoye no ya Medeama ye wi ane aba be asante koroko ene hato folk now FA ana Carlos Queiroz de ne technical report no akodan da FA na omonso di ho enkomo Kotoko preparation so far Medeama preparation so far and the question say omonso ebetimi edi dwumade ama then obinyako inclusion no so no Yahweh we ho nkomo esi etienti minim bia bia obeme ya sase de afi
ba ore ya afi asem kese ba ko pa aba
eno ye de ahi
Kwame Opoku
Kwame Opoku ni Kotoko say nano woni ayala na sase ana mo kan wa asem so mo find way out wo metimi solve cases na mana ye kama yes
bro
eno ho nkomo ho
today my main fan no start other issues or me remfi say Black Queens in Sujina kono
yes Commonwealth Games in also Scotland and also Nkoma kakra wa
but of course yet your revered listeners brown money may start with Kwame Opoku dia no e wi aso ahu yo nipa bi o wan kanya me pese o du mpempenso bi pa but ujeja hu di trimode world best December and a superstar sempe no asai wo bra so nim sa de obi o hu nyame de na fa part bi waseda siesie yedie se masiesie yedie de ato de ama enti fa so brown ho asekeke na fa yedie kwan na ma bie de ato ama no se bro so hu sa de no na first of all ba bia wo free ba utie na wo appreciate de nyame de adom mo de nyame de ama wo appreciate sa de na trust you me call a lot of places but in life de mahunie se nyame sa se ni nsira no so na ya wa adwene se ma arrive na ma refi ho pe nsira ni nyina afiri so intimate nsira fa mai anyame e madom nsira na so meso no memfa me brain di agro joti asem ni yo memfa me life ndi agro because wouldn't the entia minim ba bia me free bo udie minim ba bia me free ba nti memfa me life ndi agro yes, what did Jude obi animu, Jude animu free tete. But minim baby me free ba na minim challenges am afam. Udie. Ti se nyame madom na nsira so me so a. O se me hwe me bra yi. Na me tutuma na mo yi. Na ye adwumaden mebo a. Abrante we ye oda ayi su screen so awaje screen so aboso yi. Kwame Opoku. Upeni pa ba ko panke se na nka ni ti ye panke Kwame Opoku. Shame trama de bi me mamu kiss bi abrante ohu mo be kan se enra bi maso okuna du Kotoko no ana ba se Kotoko ko fa safi umumuni utie akofo safi umumuni that time safi na eko captain mo kai local blasters or captain ye that time safi umumuni ejina so maso okuna du ya safi umumuni that time so omo nya deal e outside the masafi etima so ka bi asewa mfa Kotoko so number 1 target safi umumuni ana maso ka say mo de sie nya safi a mo worry problem ni etiri na se safi ma Kwame Opoku beba me de Kwame Opoku beba na Kwame Opoku bebo amaso kan na obi antiase because ana maso pa ye di nkoma ya ni abreo okrom ha ye ka safi umumuni at that time onu tira so hot cake o se Kwame Opoku na Kwame Opoku di o wan onim me mi remfisa na maso ne Kwame aye adwuma do mo kai local blasters but safi uni obi a chale na talent na o tira so a hot one apprenti no bobo nkranza warrior so ti ase ni yo woni Kotoko abranti Emmanuel sa akode okopie mu ha se wi ko fa asem some ka alaja kan bi sa issue no apprenti we no mo fra abranti ba ko so A7 some nkranza warrior team na mo kaya o mo Kotoko ekuroma nka boys ni ku ye ha nyame nko a na ye body cap what's it FA Cup and I said normalization cup. Yamin Kwanko mu be kuya boys here bad boys. Omu goalkeeper na call baby any goal stars no. So omu goalkeeper no boy tuntum na headbutt issue 2-3 seasons ago. Baby any goal stars.
Yeah.
no case almost squad no Nkranza Warrior squad no ye freba ku bia 7 no brutal na Kwame Opoku na me ye wadom na ba be pie mu Kotoko onim oba kra ni sikasem na ni kasem na wu 10,000 cedis me more specific figure 10,000 100 million ye de talk Kwame Opoku
from Nkranza Warriors
me Jude na me castle metimi am player bia sika de aton wa metimi am coach bia nso sika and remember coaches be sika na kan sem bia kire omo say omo mo anim bre na afi ohun target ne do omo so ye talk Kwame Opoku 10,000 cedis 100 million cooker that time cooker na ye deal no okay that time on na Kotoko Dr. Kwame Chiabreso so be kia na awrawosam kwampo ni say saade no sankenye Dr. Kwame Chei any cooker nyame nsire omo eno omo ni bre ya ka Kwame Opoku kwa anka Dr. Kwame anka kot ayi Nkranza Warriors enya hwe cause odi nkomo ama Kotoko mpanyimfo no kra hu say the contract with Nkranza Warriors kan aba na wie uti asem ni yie pa ti anka munja me na me nko for free forgetting say nanka utumiko chifu praso side do mo kai time na COVID time no Kwame Jayo so no anka o ko school kra anka ko teacher training oni made uti enti anka ko teacher training na kuku battles aye boy we hu adwuma no si no me hu talent bi ewu nti o se obobo kuku bro boy hu adu ba bi kro ne kosa bi anyina Kwame Opoku ne former baby ani go stars coach from Pond Manso that time na no Nkranza Warriors on na adwuma do nim no mo pa mo mfa from Pond Manso sasema make me boa bra wonim ana Kotoko sign Kwame Opoku akra we ba ya nyame adom oba ya na start se efa okay se Kwame Opoku ana dru ba bi ekrom assault enyom no Kwame Opoku suddenly a player from Division 1 wa beti Ghana football aboso in fact unim se Kwame Opoku ball league ni we as league no and the man some obuadu at a point Kotoko believe about 5 to 7 points some obuadu ba has almost found league no cause of Kwame Opoku call no anu kra sa kwanu kra no onye ready so obeko Kotoko board then empanyimfo me the catch say ga Kwame die rough no deal na aba no deal no obeka ya me the first journalist me break you Ghana that time na Fox FM me tsire mu nyina sike wo mu nyina me bie mu that time na me gira me na so a o ka exclusive me drop am osisi a say prince mu ni ma reho sem Kwame mpanyimfo no kasa na o ma ti ase Kwame ade ndia ne ko cause bra 500,000 euros that time so Kotoko mpanyimfo board ni discount rating mu o mu feel so o mu nti o mu kanti press aba Kwame dia ende Kwame ko and o ti ase so obeko okay na beji 15,000 euros tie 15,000 euros bosumi bia Algeria 15,000 euros unfortunately for Kwame oko Algeria anche and a sporting director no horo ofri ho na club president no so mo kai say USM Algiers club president enya issue prison issues ambe kai say asem na enti e ma niema kokoye and o coin so niema bia no so ye hye niema yie no wan hye and ma niema kotia no Kwame Opoku nya akwanya say blaster jersey sem refia me kai mo World Cup qualifier Ghana and South Africa mo kai o say blaster jersey it is suddenly Usha branch and rise na ode bana na ehu into Kwame dear nanka akwanya kese wo ho anka branch wi o sanka by now ye ka Ghana top talent ho anka wo Europe anka ebo mu die bi anka sa me ko mu di blasters na si wa cause na the ball na obo no hu no obi on say no boy no pace o dance a udi ago obesew etu obi on say akwa we line no Kwame line no na akwa say has Ismail de ani bi abada asisi o dance yanso ase wa wi enti no obi a hwe boy no talent a odi asi so ba na no eden but at some superstar wako odi okwa niam aye trokan age atum because ye mo futu bebre there's an agent in Algeria me boni di akere mo misa Kwame Opoku onim ni ye pass me bo a ye friend Mahmoud Bilal hwe me tum ran match osie has echo Algeria na mo koba Africa no guy bia mo hu no tuntum tiatia bia airport na o chen omo no onna se na make ya ye deals bebre e ba bo mo a mumisa futu ba no amfama no ba onim Kwame Chimba ya ne dey say o feel say life no wa wie Hey, more than 1 billion a month. I think come be brave put you mean do radio, so and you're good for radio consumption. But on I couldn't buy say Kwame Opoku Saga Kotoko no Samuba Kaya. Or the Kaiba as loan, Uti. You have someone just one name as loan. And I say about so more permanent deal. No. And no more the crata and no be. At time my free or cook myself and no more Kai Kotoko say. Munkayo, Sika mo the talk Kwame Opoku de Mae. Munchia says Sikana and Farmer. But Kotoko ni himself Kotoko ni say capacity. Bra. Kwame wa ba Kotoko supporters and niaje because league about first round. Kotoko lead has on himself leg no befa. Uko ya bibi aje egu. Nyame ya dom Kwame Opoku asa baba to Kotoko obi an himself Kwame Opoku abane de. Sa prince mu nyama nka bi. Ene Kotoko team no se bia yehu aye brutal. Isaac mentan so o mebo. Ade na yehu se de ade na no ehye afa now Kwame break room here do ba say bebo ball afa de no tie agro foforo mu ball ni de Kwame de ball na to nten eno mfa ne ho biom eno nkomo hia no what tie agro foforo mu say make agro foforo no ma hu agro na make no dead down special dead down sisimu da eno na ba be yo de dead down timu da he ye kroma on ye krobia no me try de bi o ene kumase ano he so ye ade ni yi abra ye tete usuutie de ope bia de be ma obe feel pecha ye kroma sanete ye be mu ani age babra ye tete usu na nya bibia o ye tete usu because ye nimsa wudi ye ba be kom pempenso bi amini ye Kwame Opoku on disappointed o me bo club ho cry issues e see out ti bi bra why not disappointed Kwame Opoku disappointed big time. Now when you saw bibi anso etrese we ready so oba be bobo oba say entertainment nti no oba be ginani higher tourist attraction enti munja no he me boko ti na baso because me kira mo Kotoko season we no hu e ni bre season no ye mama concert bia biom okrom ho shawo ka se de ye na no na ye de niam di agro na obi a blow fear so na fear be ni sa ho monya afi a serious business bra. I better see a man Anthony Dia, a crown of Mumfa the picture and so. Anthony Dia, the loss in Chairman Uti. Mumia more, no more Munia serious and trenching. Ya mamma Suso senior player, Sam Subiana, world best and a crowd is so. Boy, we Mukai Kotoko 11 wonders. I crowd in the free bench by Hamza, small boys not dome rating, lost in Chairman. Boy, we Anthony Dia small. Akwa we talent too. Amu Kotoko ball 11 wonders too now. Boy we the free bench by or be a human. Akwa we at a point. Now utie Kotoko youth team more. In 9 games, me pacho he ne start and go. I say 14 goals, me boy. I know this boy utie. It's a senior players, more almost senior players no. Sa mo be bona mo beti akuma na mo nkumo hombo na mo be mama ma beti so dia ya je atum mo nko utie na nkra na mo ayi serious o mo pebra abono ye nso mo jesi because losing time and say jesi no ye hu akra ne ball a obody ma Kotoko o ma supporters ani je ye San Anthony Dia jesi enti kwa me sa wo pebra bi abo na wo ye serious atranchen ye be ma Anthony Dia mo abo anu ntina bra me kire ade aya na hu ani he utie aye amen yes my selection awie I after me players and the person me fair wie no akwa kofa coach it is wrong asem na ye kana na munti ase no won say we coach bia anko be kase Kwame Opoku ntina but think labai no onwa na ne niam signings open obey utie amu open so jo mo kwan na opecha and to a radio say that the boy we machine me hu ni ye me hu so serious hey no man pen baby mfa Sana me perhaps ensia saade no ufa kota jano me board member bi an kan say koti because minim die ntia me kasa bra hwe unim the board members ni bitimi oh coach yes raw boy we the ordinary to transfer wa haye ti asem no ti nkomo ni yo o the boy ne to transfer wa haye because akra we the we makora oh ebia minim Mr. Hasim paying for many someone no pay but me can no credit them say coach na waba no munja no no so na adwuma sa wate say the return class start na What me ama Kotoko poster boy back was Kwame me here. Ubesu guyam kra me de anyim asem. Me se ko. Muma coach ni nya sa total authority over the team. Because me chow bra adwuma na a professional job utie. Obra wo bono. E betre ba bia bedru. And players mema yen kase who players mobo. At say radio ya me tianti menya de nse fm panfo say me hu mobo. Are you serious? That be unim dia wo ye. E business na wo ye no ate. Memfa ne man dia ye ka professionalism obetimi ya adwuma wo see na baby na me hu ne mobo. Hey you serious bra boys no munya wo mba chiu mu hwe Kwajo Obin Junior me kaimo Junior 2-3 seasons ago mo be kaya Kwajo Obin Junior salary an ojo has akwa ntwete omoshe wo kana asem so anu omuna edu ba bi cross o munja obebo me am so nye serious me because me fire na dodo a striker Junior timi kwa entire season striker no ase 3 goals 4 goals Kwajo Obin Junior na de has now Kotoko ne has untimi nsabe 20 goals 15-17 goals so see a jaw kwana me boa unya striker papa bra na abranti age has a boss say chinchina twan me amani junior na manu akunkun senior aye na has mpanyimfo say Kwajo Obin Junior de obu ade Pobi man on the first person kwana otukotena ho na junior de odo team na dodo enti edu ba bia akwana hie na so omuja ne kwan no omu enjo ana omu sai na ketua oje no unsemu ho ko ware so kai na ware no aware no omu sai tu na ketua mu omu de ko 100% unim de ekowietri no one ha se be twema nso later na was a junior jahas kwan no ana omu ne party ways no e ho no no ankai se hasefo aye bia ma ne se enko yie kura no utie enko yie kura no omu hu ne mobo no ne ha se be twema nso.
Okay.
But what you say? And a business here can want them. And Munjai my coach. Because when you clear who's everything like the energy, Obiam, and the house and coach our bay. Munjai man, so a board member, no castle play and qua. My player and uncle, member, Emuna, and Mabunfu, senior, Jaiman and qua, because at the end of the day, Unya coach.
Okay.
Coach only at this hard task, Namano. Say, I'm fire, Bepamono, and I'm a boy. And to me, Mubian Chinchan and Munjai. Kwame, Ayate. Baby fine here call brown. If you see you baby anu akoba
the next 5 minutes you move ko Medeama TNA no omanya opportunity for the Premier League stages matches no how good na the my and then SCA then send you be able to me enya the north and they playing the bigger ones no
bro the TNA Medeama there no me team news a piece of good news many age the Medeama look Ghana how your certain venues are your bobola unse results no ejira venue ni so yie pa me mama ba ko doma aduana beji Ghana league no na ejira ne venue
okay
na mon stadium dey be a trend bi so gradually follow aduana echo unbeaten meboa ni home na team coach mbaba say aduana later on ni home no na enu adubias mo beka enu adubias no that time no nipa na obaba so mo no onu amu free say kwa enti onim die atuamu so nim say sabato mo ya we say nti free say kwa so onim die atuamu Samatex Ejelek Olusu just a game on home onim die okosel and Nations FC because Nations no from division 1 you know take Samatex enti ni home play a key role
okay
baby any goal stars leg or jail ni home play a key role meba
yeah
Medeama one team one on the banana the bone home or so what aqua hodia braja obey mobo Medeama Africa now bekaya o free mono Samu kaipa also prelims nasi or starting o Cape Coast and hono obo horoya and obo one other team obo 2 teams or no crime bo team ni di obo 2 matches so but Cape Sports Stadium no na e was say uplifting and Cap felt to say all say the difference in here. Your categories no also when okay krata na category 2 almost stadium no the entire category 2 ni say CAF category 1 and category 1 basically say e be betimi abo league matches ho ye betimi abo regional tournament ho e ma boy betimi abo ho but any standard e betimi host CAF organized competitions Any our category 2. Category 2 ne kyerɛ sɛ ye betimi abo prelims utie ɛwɔ hɔ. Ba ye bo prelims no. Ye wie na ye san assess as time goes by assess. CAF ɛwɔ ne mpanyinfo ɔmo ba ye assessment. Ye ba assess ya hwɛ. Sɛ adru standard a be a category 3 to say baby a bet me a face and TV because you do group stage you do group stage a different ball game altogether OTA and to say the show or category 2 no category 3 and 4 no the standard a honor no yet me one host international games or patron what I say yet me host international games or honor yet me book Champions League group stage or yet me book other big games our and you Medeama free Cape Coast Sports Stadium. That time now, no. That time now, so na Black Stars special use so Samekaya. And a Medeama ne matches no about Kumasi into group stages no obo Baba Yara. And it was clear. So who stayed at that time no between Medeama and the Dreams are no never Africa will be a boy. Medeama enjoy a lot of support here. Okay, reason no. Not a hisem. Because that time na Papa Zito. Aka Sam Okaya. Dreams qualify for Africa or say, or they check Kotoko ne has no. Some seniors, no matter now, young players be out here qualify. Muka so o make statement bisa. And say man Kotoko supporters Krana Stadium na so mo how mo home supported Dreams. But Medeama the any the na so mo hu nya. Entina eye na numbers ne ba kakra. But it was obvious say Medeama host younger, o host na di early mono. Say games are not go mo bo e watakwa TNA. Bra, a different story would have been told. But I had now quite a virtually young guy, where Munano, bought Ali Munano, a hand crab by your home. So I'm happy. And young more Taka go force for about $16 million and our project. Beautiful edifice. Bra, no one study at Yebi. Sagana, by a cast and care stadium pa, and won't be BBR. And Kalen Glow, or was it Mewa? Okralen Glow Crapajo Hansi Park or the BBR. I am mining company in the sea. But the difference between Medeama Diano and Obuasibian, a company in Ankasa team. And I'm saying no individual aye. But I no crown over my individual no. I'm one in the Omo almost say Omo Diano 1% no. Bro from you can't say a golden share. Because golden share and they say 1% now. Company no FI no. On only 1%, not as good no champion no. Champion ain't means is set team needing. Brought here yo. Secondly, champion ain't mean ni team no MFM free or boise. Facilities mean other way a company no dia. And yes, all 99% shares, but in actual sense no, almost share back no. I saw the time with the golden share. So what I say, and to sure. There be me encourage some me per company teams. Takwa of course in say Moses Ama Paka on one team. No the team pounds na e wasaman so obekaya. E team wey no toy papa kwa na kesi team no Kesben. E no toy. E no msisa dey no e no Medeama. So say your companies na ankomo nso de omo sika paper ball mu ohu. Anka bebo because clearly go for Takwa man. E kire say as part of their corporate social responsibility towards the people of Takwa and important. And I'm happy because trust you, Medeama, yes, I can so but in Africa,
your matches, Etina Black Queens and Cameroon, Ebebo, na no a game, yeah, bona, Black.